Ayan. So, hello guys. For this part of the demo, I will be showing you how to use Toast and create an option menu. So, I'll create a new project para hindi na siya crowded dun sa previous one na ginamit natin or ginawa natin. I'll again choose empty activity, click next. So, I'll name this one Android Demo 2. So, same pa rin, Kotlin language, and then Lollipop pa rin yung minimum SDK. So, you can see here kung how many percent yung sa market na device, no? So, if you change this one to Pi, 69% na yung naka-Pi sa market. So, I'll choose Lollipop again. Then, just click Finish and wait for the Gradle to build and load the necessary files. So first we will be demonstrating the toast. So toast is just a message that shows in your screen. So parang text lang siya, and then it will end it will soon, or depende sa timer, so mawawala na lang siya bigla. Ayan. So na build na yung project natin. This is our um, XML. So change natin sa split para kita natin yung code. And then let's make this one linear layout. Then linear layout, we don't need string. So let's put a button. Let's put just a margin top. So we will be using the button to display the toast. Para lang ano siya, no? Uh, let's copy na lang. So with match parent na natin to. And then Android text size is 10. Masyadong maliit yung 10, 20. Ayan. So toast. Lagyan natin toast, no? So when we click this one, it will just display the toast message. So Android on click. So make or show toast. Ayan. So let's create our function here that will uh, show yung toast, no? So from here, to use the toast, you can create your, what do you call this? You can create an instance for your toast, or just call the toast class and um, display the message. So for me, I'll just use directly the toast class. So toast dot make text. So the make text allows you to create the display message. Then first parameter is the context where your application is. Then followed by the message. So this is a toast. Ayan. And then followed by the last parameter is the duration. So toast that will show you the duration. So I'll use the short. So para short lang siya. And then if you want to display, that show. Then I think that's it, no? For the toast, yan, you need to import the widget toast. So let's run this one. I'll start our emulator. Mode is float window. Then we can close this one, minimize. So we can have the emulator here, our code here. Then let's run. So of course it will build the grader, and since this is a Unity project, it may take some time. So here we already have the Android application running. So click toast, and somehow got an error. Why is that like that? So I think we need to pass the view. And there you have it. So we need to pass the view here so that it will be displayed on the screen. So if you click toast, and it will display there. So that's all for the toast. Next, I think we will be proceeding to the option menu.